Hello and hi to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And the question today we are having that is related to the percentage. And the question is, Mr. Rehman ordered a car worth rupees 6 lakh and was given a discount given that he paid rupees 5 lakh and 70,000 for his new car. Calculate the percentage discount he received. So here we have to find out the discount which has he received after buying the car. So the first thing for this type of question we take out that what was the discount that he has got, and for this we take, let's suppose, so the discount we are having that is, so this is discount. So what will be the discount? So this is, let's suppose, 6 lakh. So this is 6 lakh. And how much he paid? He paid 5 lakh and 70,000. So here we are finding the discount. So what will be the discount? So the discount we will have that is 30,000. So Mr. Rehman ordered a car worth rupees that is 6 lakh, but he by luck got a discount of 30,000 and then he paid 57,000 for his new car, and this 30,000 is the discount which he has gained. So now we have to find out the percentage discount. So how much this 30% is the percentage of the discount. So for this we take that percentage discount. So how much is the discount? So discount we are having that is 30,000 and the original price. So what was the original price of the car? The original price of the car was 6 lakh. So this is the original price. Multiply by 100. So this 100 is to find out the percentage of the discount. So after the simplification, so we have here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we can cancel out this 4 and here as well 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and 1 0. So this becomes that is 3 divided by 6 multiplied by 10. So this is becomes 30 divided by 6. So 6 ones are and 6 5s are. So here we have got the discount that is 5%. So this 5% is how much? 30,000. So this is the discount, and in percentage that is 5%. So this is our percentage discount. I hope you have completely understood the question. So thank you very much.